When you revise any piece of writing, your goal should be to improve the support of your main points in the piece of writing. In doing this, you will improve coherence and clarity to make sure that your article flows and your meaning is clear. When you revise well, you reduce repetition so you aren't boring the reader. You increase variety and interest in your article. You make sure that the text follows the conventions or rules of English, and you correct grammar and spelling mistakes, making your writing more clear. When revising, this checklist is a good rule of thumb. Check to make sure that every sentence begins with a capital letter, that proper nouns or names for specific things begin with capital letters, that each sentence ends with punctuation, that each sentence is a complete thought with a subject and predicate, that all words are spelled correctly, that commas are used correctly, that apostrophes are used correctly, and that each paragraph is indented. You do not need to copy these revising marks into your notes, but they may be helpful for you in the future. When you need to turn a letter into a capital letter, underline that letter 3 times to indicate that. When a letter needs to be made a lowercase letter, put a slash through the letter. When adding in words or letters, use a caret to show where the word belongs. When something needs to be deleted, this squiggly loop is a great symbol to show that whatever it is needs to be deleted. You can use this squiggle, which means transpose, to switch words around. When you need to take out a word and replace it with another, draw a line through the word and write the correct word above it. When a period needs to be added, add the period and circle it. When there is extra space, show that you need to close up that extra space by putting in some sideways parentheses. When a new paragraph needs to be started, the symbol to show that is a backwards P with 2 vertical lines. When there's a spelling error, circle it and write SP to show that there is a spelling error. There are many more symbols, but these should get you started when editing papers that are handwritten.